Today, we're learning how to add a fun and eye-catching pop text animation to your video. This is perfect for highlighting words, titles, or any important message. Let's jump in. First, open your Canva project and add a text box. Type in whatever text you want to animate. Next, with the text selected, click the Animate button on the top toolbar. From the list of text animations, scroll until you see Pop. Click it and you'll see your text jump to life. Now let's customize it. You'll find a speed slider. This controls how quickly the pop effect plays. Slide it to the left for a slower, more dramatic pop, or to the right for a snappy, energetic one. Here, you can choose whether the pop animation should happen on enter, exit, or both. That means you can pop your text in, out, or have it bounce in and out for extra impact. Finally, if needed, you can adjust the duration of the text layer on your timeline to match the timing you want, and that's it. You've added a bold and dynamic pop text animation in Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips.